Dad wouldn't just use one tool for every job, would he? So why is he using grooming products that do just one thing?
Blackwood For Men grooming products can do more than just one thing.
Who is that?
That means they're multifunctional.
Who's in here?
And they have a Botanical Boost.
Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
So they don't just cleanse your hair and skin, but it also helps restore and protect. And they do all that at the same time it takes those sad one-tool products to deplete Dad's hair and skin. This stuff isn't helping him, it's hurting him. So why let Dad keep using a grooming product that just does one thing,
I don't know, he just showed up in my shower.
when he can use the power of all these natural botanicals to do it all?
Just so you know, I'm on the phone with the cops, pal.
Did I also mention these smell amazing?
How amazing. What is that, citrus?
That's citrus.
I love citrus. I love citrus. Alright. When did you have time to cut all that fruit? Shower time!
Blackwood For Men. For dads who do it all.